Carrie for Just Nailed It. Let me see, my mat's a little off here. We are doing a Mother's Day manicure today. I'm not in a collaboration with anybody. This is just me solo by myself. And as you can see, I've partially started. I have got Beatles number 704. It is this beautiful, I call it a cornflower blue. I think this is beautiful, beautiful color. Love, love, love. I have put that on 3 of the nails. The 2 with the foil I have on Diva in a Bottle's white. So check them out on divainabottle.com. I have 2 of Charlie's. It's called Spring Awakening, I believe. Oh no, it's not. It's called Spring Bloom. Sweet Bloom. I've had eye surgery, so it's kind of hard still to see. It is this beautiful, beautiful foil. And I placed it on 2 nails. I'm going to try and freehand Mom on the thumbnail. Whoops. What just happened here? Oh, snap. Alright, we are back. Let me straighten my mat. I'm going to load up my brush halfway up. I'm going to try to write Mom. Mom. Oh, I'm slightly trembling. I don't know why. There we go. I think we bought it by George. Whoops. They say let the tip of the brush do the work. This is not going to be even. It's not going to be even. Go back over this part again. Oh, it's so hard to see right now. How does this look? Hope I was in frame. I'm going to stick this in the lamp. Give this a cure. Clean my brush here real quick. Can't believe this thing came apart on me. I'm so bummed out. So on this nail here, we are going to put some butterflies. I got these off Amazon. They were in one of my hauls. So I'm going to top coat this nail. I hope the butterflies hold on. There we go. I'm going to pop these in the lamp as well. Take advantage of that little cure that's going on. I'm also going to top coat the pinky nail. See? Just top coat them all. That would make more sense, wouldn't it? So I'm going to turn the lamp back on. Let those butterflies get a cure. Top coat my beautiful flowers here. I love Charlie's foils. I am a brand ambassador for Charlie's nail art. So if you'd like to save yourself 10% off, use my code NailedIt10, all in caps. I'll put that across the bottom of the screen here. Let's see. check out my cross here. I think we have more than one. We do. So we straighten her out now. Woohoo! I'm gonna put some bling around. Make sure I am staying in frame. I still have some of these black gems just everywhere. I thought I got them all. I thought I had them all. They all came out of the brush. Cross his mood. There we go. And maybe one more. And we'll call that a day. I think that's beautiful. Let me see how our nails are doing here. Top coat again. Get the butterflies out. I think the butterflies are just beautiful. Charlie's nail art has some now. I did place my order for some. Actually, I placed quite a large order. But it's not too big, but it's an order. Bigger than my last two. Oh, I'm having such a hard time seeing. Please forgive me. Work with me. Whoopsie. Whoops. Okay, one more. See how this looks. Okay, I'm gonna put this in for a full cure. Whoopsie. Full cure is 60 seconds on the old lamp, and we will be right back. Alright, we are back. Fresh out of the lamp. Here is our Mother's Day manicure for 2021. The butterflies are stuck. I think the mommy-o turned out quite nice. I wasn't too sure on my freehand there, but I think I did alright. Love the foils. Think those are really beautiful foils. And my Christian heritage here. My love for Jesus. And my mother's. So this is our manicure for Mother's Day. Happy moms out there, to all the mothers out there in YouTube land. My friends included in real life, or life here, whatever you want to call it. Happy Mother's Day to all. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.